Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's very relevant in today's day and age: electric cars and residential solar energy and the tax implications of these two types of renewable energy. So the IRS wants you to invest or purchase these things. And why? That's because they're providing you tax incentives. Always think about when IRS is giving you a benefit for something, it's because they want you to kind of act or go in that direction. So in this case, the government wants you to purchase renewable energy, and they're providing an incentive. Well, what are these incentives? I want to go into a quick in-depth conversation and how you can take advantage of it. Let's start with solar. Solar energy, typically you would buy solar panels. You can finance or you can lease them. That would create energy for your home. The tax credit for that is 26%. So you, for example, purchase a solar power system for your home for $10,000. Now, $2,600 of that you will get back in the form of tax credit on the federal level. Now, I'm not going to get into the details on the state level, the benefits, because it varies state by state, but there are definitely almost every state offers some sort of benefit for solar on a state level. So you can combine both. And that will help you when you're purchasing solar, that your net cost, you may pay $10,000 on top initially out of pocket, but with the tax credits and everything, you can really figure how much you're paying for it. Now, as of this video, as of this year, 2022, the tax credit is 26%. Now, the solar tax credit changes every year, and time to time, it also may expire. So right now it's 26. I believe in 2023, it goes down to 22%. So the benefit goes down a little bit, and then further year it goes down even more, and I think it ends as well at certain points. So this is not like you have unlimited amount of time you can do whatever. So you have to make that decision quick. Another thing about the solar credit, it's non-refundable. Therefore, it only goes against the tax you owe. So if maybe you have a lot of deductions, a lot of credits, and you don't owe any taxes, then this solar credit doesn't help you, it just gets carried forward. But if you were to owe, like say $5,000 in taxes and you have $2,500 in solar credit, now your tax bill will only be $2,500, or reduces your tax liability. So that's solar. Now let's go into electric cars. There's also a tax credit for that, $7,500 on the federal level. On the state level, there's also some that I'm not going to go into because every state has a different method or a different amount. But with cars, it's a little different. Electric cars are a little bit more common now, and it varies manufacturer to manufacturer, model to model. So the government allows a certain amount of cars to be sold for each manufacturer, and they allow this credit, $7,500 credit. There's a limit. I believe it's 100,000 cars. So when a manufacturer sells 100,000 cars on a certain model, then that tax credit, after that threshold of about 100,000, then that tax credit is no longer relevant. As of this recording, in 2022, Tesla's electric tax credit is gone for their cars. But other models like BMW and other more brands and manufacturers that are coming out with electric cars, those are available because they haven't hit their threshold of amount of cars that they can sell to. So it's really important with cars that sometimes the dealerships might be telling you, okay, you're going to get a tax credit. They might not even know because they're not obviously tax professionals. You should look into it yourself, do your own research, and make sure the car you're purchasing, either it's coming with the tax credit or it's not. So that way you can factor in what's your real cost. in cars. So with cars, it's a little bit more complicated. You have to do a little more research. With solar, it's a flat percentage. There's no difference between who you go with. But with solar, it's going to slowly go away as well. So keep that in mind. I hope this will help you make an informed decision if you try to go with the renewable energy either for your home. And as always, if you found this content to be helpful, please share with friends, families, so they can get in on the tax savings. But give this video a like and follow the page for more content and tax tips.